Hello, welcome to UPSC Rainbow. Previous class study about initial modern history. So let us start with reform movement. In the reform movement, you know that about many persons such like Raja Ram Mohan Rai, Ishwar Chandra Vidyasagar, Swami Vivekanand, Dayanand Saraswati etc. and many efforts to bring the social evil practice and reform the Indian. So let us start with basic prelims questions. Okay, which one of the following was not a motive of Pratna Samaj? Intermarriage among different castes, yes. Remarriage of widows, yes. Preaching of unity of court. This is the principle of Dayanand Saraswati of our Samaj. So C statements are incorrect. Women upliftments are also there. Asking what not correct statement, so answer is C. Which of the following statements about Raja Ram Mohan Rai are correct? He founded the Arya Samaj in 1815 years. He founded the Brahm Samaj which concentrated on non-dualistic aspect of Hindu faith. Yes, 1, 2 are correct statements, so answer is A. Which one of the following statements about Keshav Chandra Sen Brahm Samaj is incorrect? It promoted women's education, yes. It opposed polygamy and caste system, yes. It discarded the image worship, yes. It believed the infallibility of Veda. It is asking in the Arya Samaj Dayanand Saraswati. So these statements are incorrect. Asking about incorrect statement. So answer is D. Which of the following statements are correct about Pratna Samaj? It was founded by M.G. Ranade. Not. It was founded by. It is linked by Pratna Samaj, but not founded. It was revivalist movement. No, it is the reformist movement. So both 1 or 2 are incorrect statements. So answer is D. Who gave the motto "Go back to Bedaja"? You know that Dayanand Saraswati is there. So answer is B. The Shuddhi movement was started by Ved Samaj, Pratna Samaj, Arya Samaj. You know the Arya Samaj is the started the Shuddhi movement. So answer is C. The main features of the social reform movement in India was birth of new school of philosophy, note. A stress on the growth of vernacular language, note. Growth of press in India, note. Research oriented study of the past history in India. So answer is D. Which of the following statement correct about Ishwar Chandra Vidyasagar? He founded Veda Samaj. Note, his greatest contribution was in movement of widow remarriage. Yes, he founded Bethune School of Women Education. Yes, he founded Vedanta College in 1825. No, because Vedanta College founded by Raja Ram Mohan Rai. So correct statement is 1, 2 and 3. So answer is C. Each one of the following pairs are not correctly matched. Dharm Sabha is linked to Radha Kandev because he is the founder of the Dharm Sabha. Yes. Paramahansa Mandli is the founder of the Panduranga. So second statements are incorrect. Aligarh movement is Sir Syed Ahmad Khan. Yes. Ved Samaj is related to Krishna Sridharlu Naidu. Yes. So asking what incorrect statement. So answer is B. Which of the following statements about Devband school are correct? It was founded by Muhammad Qasim Banutebi and Rashid Ahmad Gangoli. Yes. It was revivalist movement. Yes. It founded Muhammad Literacy Society. No, because it founded by Sir Syed Ahmad Khan. It promoted Western and modern education. Note, it is opposed the Western modern education. So correct statements 1 and 2. So answer is A. Which of the following statements are correct? The Theosophical Society was founded by any Besant. No, you know that Theosophical Society was founded by S. Olcott and H.P. Balaswaswai. So the statements are incorrect. The theosophical advocate was the revival of only Hinduism. No, it focused on Hinduism, Buddhism, or Zoroastrianism are also there. So these statements are also incorrect. So asking what correct statement. So answer is D. None of the above. The aim of Akali movement was to liberate the Sikh Gurudwara from the control of corrupt Mahant. So answer is B. Which of the following statements are correct about Singh Sabha movement are? It counteracted the proselytizing activity of the Christian missionary. These statements are incorrect. Correct. It rejected the modern education. No, it is promoted the modern education. So second statement is incorrect. Asking about correct statement. So only one. Which of the following statements are correct about Sir Syed Ahmad Khan? It emphasizes on the study of Quran. No, it is not emphasis on the study of the Quran. It interpreted the study of the Quran in the rational basis. He praised the system of Puri and Muradi. Note, it opposed the praise of the Pirian Murandi. He founded the Muhammad Anglo-Oriental College of Aligarh. Yes, he was associated with the United Patriotic Association. Yes, asking what correct statement. So 3 and 4 are correct statements. Here is not written. So answer is 3 and 4. Rahnumai Majidhasan Sabha was working for the reform of the Parsi because it is linked to Dada Bhai Naroji and Naroji Furdauji. So statement is B is correct statement. The factor which lead to many social reform movement in India were Orientalist effort and encouragement to Indians to discover a glorious history of India. Yes, effect of a spirit of nationalism imbibed through the Western education. Yes, growing activities of Christian missionary. Yes, efforts of British government to convert Indians to Christianity. Yes, so 1, 2, 3, 4 questions. Correct statement. The answer is D. Which of the following statements correct regarding the Ram Swami Naikar? He founded the Justice Party. You know that T.M. Nair is the founder of the Justice Party, not Naikar. It is linked to the Justice Party but not founded. So first statements are incorrect. He opposed the imposition of Hindi on Dravidian. Yes. So only two statements are correct statements. So answer is C. Which of the following statements regarding Jyotiba Phule was correct? He started the Satyashodak Samaj in 1873. Yes. He was elected as a member of the Pune Municipal Committee in 1876. Yes. He gave the slogan "One religion, one caste, one God" on for mankind. Note it is given to Narayan Guru. So that statement incorrect. His publication include the life of Shivaji. Yes. So 1, 2, 4 are correct statements. So answer is B. Match the following statement. Jyotiba Phule Satyashodak Samaj. Naikar is linked to Justice Party and M.G. Ranade is linked to Pratna Sabha and Devendranath is linked to Tatbodhini Patrika. So first is second and B is third. So B is correct statement. Answer. Which of the following statement about Narayan Guru are correct? He established Sri Narayan Guru Dharm Paripalan in Kerala. Yes. He built several temples open to all castes. Yes. He criticized Mahatma Gandhi for his attitude toward Chaturvarna. Yes. He mainly focused on upliftment of Ijava caste. Yes. So 1, 2, 3, 4 are correct statements. So answer is D. Thank you for that.